In this video, we will show how to search Matrix for properties that have a live virtual open house scheduled. To begin, click on Matrix Search. At the top of the page, click on Search to bring down the drop-down menu. Select More at the bottom. Scroll down to find Open House Search. From the Open House Search page, select your specific property class. In this example, I'll select Residential. The location, I'll use Area 18. Any specific features you're looking for, and the open house date. You can use the calendar to select a specific time frame, then choose the open house type. In this case, we're looking for virtual open houses. Select the virtual option. Then just click on Results. The following screenshot will show you how the virtual open house will be displayed on the listing. The second method we'll use for searching for virtual open houses will be in the Additional Fields section. Again, select Matrix Search. From here, input your search criteria, and then scroll down beneath the results. From here, click the Add button. Use the search function to type in Open House, and then select Open House Type. Click the Add button to add it to the Additional Fields column, and then hit the Back button. Scroll to the very bottom of your additional fields, and you'll see the Open House Type filter we just added. Make sure you select Virtual to filter for only properties that have a virtual open house scheduled. Both of these methods allow you to search for properties that have a live virtual open house.